Hello friends! Is your car's AC system acting strangely? Maybe the defroster isn't working properly, or the AC randomly turns on and off? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0535, this means there's a problem with the air conditioning evaporator temperature sensor circuit. Ignoring this could lead to poor cooling, electrical issues, or even a completely non-functional AC system. In this video I'll explain what P0535 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0535? The P0535 code stands for Air Conditioning Evaporator Temperature Sensor Circuit Malfunction. This means that the Engine Control Module, ECM, is not receiving proper signals from the evaporator temperature sensor, which is responsible for regulating AC cooling performance and preventing freezing of the evaporator. Common symptoms of P0535: AC system not cooling properly or fluctuating temperature, defroster not working efficiently, unusual delays in AC compressor engagement, AC turns off randomly or doesn't turn on at all, check engine light or AC warning light on. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the faulty sensor. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0535, check these key components. Air conditioning evaporator temperature sensor location, inside the dashboard near the AC evaporator core. Some vehicles have it mounted near the HVAC housing. AC control module location, behind the dashboard, connected to the HVAC system or AC control unit. AC compressor and clutch location, front of the engine, driven by the serpentine belt. Wiring and connectors. Location: check under the dashboard, near the AC control panel, and around the evaporator housing. Tip: a faulty evaporator temperature sensor can cause the AC to behave erratically, overcool, or stop working entirely. Common causes of P0535: 1. Faulty AC evaporator temperature sensor. The sensor may be damaged or sending incorrect signals. 2. Wiring or connector issues. Loose, corroded, or broken wires can disrupt the signal. 3. Faulty AC control module. The module might not be reading data correctly from the sensor. 4. Refrigerant issues. Low or overcharged refrigerant can affect sensor readings. 5. ECM or HVAC module malfunction. In rare cases, a software issue or module failure can cause P0535. How to fix P0535. Step 1. Scan the system with an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0535 code. Step 2. Locate the evaporator temperature sensor behind the dashboard. Step 3. Check wiring and connectors for any loose, corroded, or damaged connections. Step 4. Test the sensor resistance using a multimeter. If it's out of range, replace it. Step 5. Inspect the AC control module for faults or updates. Step 6. Recharge the AC system if refrigerant levels are incorrect. Step 7. Clear the code and test the AC system to ensure proper function. If you ignore P0535, your AC system may become unreliable, and you could experience extreme temperature fluctuations inside the cabin. Fixing it early will ensure smooth and efficient cooling. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0320, Ignition Distributor Engine Speed Input Circuit Malfunction. P0321, Ignition Distributor Engine Speed Input Circuit Range Performance. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.